What is Web 3.0? How to use it? How to make money with this? Greetings, my fellow digital explorers, and welcome back to Crypto Dava. As you may already know, Web 3.0 is the latest iteration of the World Wide Web that promises to revolutionize how we interact with the online world. But what exactly is Web 3.0 and how can you use it to your advantage? In this video, we'll explore the key features of Web 3.0. But that's not all. Web 3.0 is a new way of browsing the web and a new way of making money. That's right, you heard it here first. With Web 3.0, you can earn cryptocurrencies, create and sell digital assets, participate in decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and much more. So, are you ready to join the Web 3.0 revolution? Buckle up, because we're about to enter a new world of possibilities. Definition: Web 3.0 is the latest iteration of the World Wide Web, characterized by a decentralized architecture, interoperability, and user control. It's a new paradigm emphasizing cutting-edge technologies such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to create a more open and equitable internet. Web 3.0 is also a catalyst for developing decentralized applications, DApps, that operate on blockchain technology, enabling users to access new services such as decentralized finance, decentralized marketplaces, and more. The differences between Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. The web has undergone several transformations over the years, with each iteration bringing new capabilities and possibilities. Web 1.0 was the earliest web version, emerging in the 1990s and characterized by simple HTML and limited interactivity. Web 2.0 emerged in the mid-2000s and focused on user-generated content, collaboration, and community building. The latest and most advanced iteration is Web 3.0, the decentralized web. It leverages cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to create a more open and equitable internet, shifting power away from centralized entities to users. Web 3.0 has the potential to reshape the internet as we know it. The importance of Web 3.0. Imagine a world where the internet is not controlled by a handful of powerful corporations, but by the users themselves. That's the promise of Web 3.0, the decentralized web. With Web 3.0, users have the power to own their data and participate in decentralized networks which promote transparency, accountability, and innovation. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, Web 3.0 is paving the way for a more open, equitable, and secure internet. It's time to say goodbye to the days of data breaches, censorship, and online monopolies, and hello to a new era of digital freedom. How does Web 3.0 work? Web 3.0 leverages cutting-edge technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to create a more open and equitable internet. The fundamental principle behind Web 3.0 is decentralization, which means that power is shifted away from centralized entities like tech giants and governments and towards users. The blockchain is the heart of Web 3.0, a distributed ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. Using blockchain technology, Web 3.0 enables decentralized applications and platforms not controllable by a single entity. These applications can build decentralized networks for everything from social media to finance to social chain management. Another key technology used in Web 3.0 is artificial intelligence, which can help to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and enhance the user experience. With AI, Web 3.0 can enable personalized content, predictive analytics, and more. Finally, the Internet of Things, IoT, is also a critical component of Web 3.0. The IoT can create a more connected and intelligent world by connecting devices and machines to the internet. With Web 3.0, the IoT can be used to create decentralized networks that can be used for everything from smart cities to healthcare to agriculture. The features of Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is not just a buzzword, it's a new era of internet that's defined by some key features. One of the most important features of Web 3.0 is decentralization, which gives users greater control over their data and promotes transparency and accountability. Another key feature is interoperability, which enables different applications and platforms to work together seamlessly. This creates a more connected and efficient internet that's not limited by silos of data. Web 3.0 also emphasizes privacy, security, and user control, essential for a healthy and equitable digital world. By leveraging technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, Web 3.0 is paving the way for a more decentralized and user-centric internet. The benefits and challenges of Web 3.0. Web 3.0 offers several benefits that have the potential to transform the way we interact with the internet. One of the most significant benefits is greater user control. With Web 3.0, users can own their data and decide how it's used. This means they can share their data with trusted parties transparently and securely without worrying about it being mishandled or sold to third parties without their consent. Another significant benefit of Web 3.0 is interoperability. By enabling different applications and platforms to work together seamlessly, Web 3.0 creates a more connected and efficient internet. However, Web 3.0 also comes with some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the complexity of the technology. Blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are still emerging technologies and new, and few fully understand how they work. This can create a barrier to entry for developers and users who want to participate in Web 3.0 networks. Another challenge is the need for more standardization. Because Web 3.0 is still in its early stages, there needs to be a clear set of standards or protocols for how decentralized networks should be built and operated. This can lead to interoperability issues and make it difficult for different networks to work together. Examples of Web 3.0 applications in real-life use cases impact on real life. Web 3.0 has already revolutionized how we interact with the internet, and several real-life use cases demonstrate its potential impact. One of the most prominent examples is decentralized finance, DeFi, which uses blockchain technology to create a more open and transparent financial system. DeFi allows users to access financial services like loans, investments, and savings without relying on traditional financial institutions. Another example is supply chain management, which can benefit from the transparency and accountability provided by Web 3.0. Using blockchain technology, companies can track products from their origin to their final destination, ensuring they are ethically sourced and produced. This could create a more sustainable and ethical global supply chain. Web 3.0 has the potential to transform the healthcare industry. Healthcare providers can create more personalized and efficient patient care by leveraging artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. For example, wearable devices can track patient data and provide real-time feedback, while AI-powered diagnostic tools can help healthcare providers make more accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. The integration of Web 3.0 with crypto. Cryptocurrency and Web 3.0 are two sides of the same coin. Both are built on decentralized technologies that allow for greater transparency and accountability. But integrating Web 3.0 with crypto takes things to a whole new level. With Web 3.0, users have the power to own and control their data, and with crypto, they have the power to transact without relying on traditional financial institutions. By combining these two technologies, we can create a more open and transparent financial system, not limited by geographical or economic barriers. One of the most exciting applications of this integration is the rise of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, which allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without relying on decentralized exchanges. This creates a more democratized financial system where anyone with an internet connection can participate in the global economy. Additionally, Web 3.0 technologies like blockchain provide greater security and transparency, which can help prevent fraud and other forms of financial manipulation. Integrating Web 3.0 with crypto also has the power to create new business models and revenue streams. For example, by using Web 3.0 technologies like smart contracts, creators can monetize their content directly without relying on intermediaries like YouTube or Patreon. This creates a more equitable system where creators are paid fairly for their work. How to make a profit from Web 3.0. There are several ways to make money with Web 3.0. One popular method is investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as their increasing adoption can increase their value over time. Additionally, you can earn passive income through decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols, which allow you to lend out your cryptocurrencies to earn interest in a decentralized manner. Content creators can also monetize their work with smart contracts, which create a more equitable system by cutting out intermediaries like YouTube or Patreon. Finally, contributing to open source projects and decentralized governance can help build a better and more decentralized future, leading to new job opportunities and business prospects. How to make money with Web 3.0. Are you curious about how to make money with Web 3.0? Well, you're not alone. Web 3.0 is all about decentralization, transparency, and giving more power to the people. And with this new paradigm comes many opportunities to earn money in new and innovative ways. One of the most popular ways to make money with Web 3.0 is by investing in virtual products like NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These unique tokens can't be copied or replicated easily, making them the perfect way to buy and sell exclusive items in Web 3.0 browser-based environments like Ethereum. For example, you could purchase NFTs to gain access to exclusive content from your favorite artist or athlete, or even buy tickets to an event straight from the performer themselves. This is a game changer for artists and athletes who can now monetize their work online without the need for intermediaries. Another way to make money with Web 3.0 is by leveraging decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols. These protocols allow you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies by lending them out to other users in a decentralized manner. DeFi protocols allow you to earn passive income from cryptocurrency holdings without relying on traditional financial institutions. Here's another innovative idea. Create a distributed ownership model that allows people to own a stake in your brand or company through digital tokens such as crypto coins. This ownership model gives people a sense of investment in the success of your brand, making them more likely to support you financially. By providing your customers with a stake in your business, you're building a community of loyal supporters who are invested in your success. Finally, you can also make money with Web 3.0 by providing value to the community. By contributing to open source projects, participating in decentralized governance, and supporting the development of Web 3.0 technologies, you can help build a better and more decentralized future. This can lead to new business opportunities, job prospects, and other forms of value creation. And that's a wrap for our discussion on Web 3.0. We hope that you found this video informative and engaging, and that you now better understand what Web 3.0 is, how it works, and how you can potentially make money with it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content on the latest trends and technologies. And as always, stay curious and keep learning.